Hey, it's IT guy Sav with yet another IT video. And if you watching this light, you're probably wondering as to why I have a bulb next to me for an IT video. Maybe it is a smart bulb. You guessed it. It's the Lifx bulb and it's blinding me, so I'm gonna try and make this video really quick. This is actually the E26 Lifx. It's called a smarter light. And let me just show you what the packaging looks like. I have the packaging with me right here. So you get two in one pack, and I got these from Amazon, and they were actually on a Black Friday sale. It might be a little pricier right now. I'll tell you why. I've been using Lifx since 2018, so it's been a while now, and I've been testing various lights, Lifx bulbs and all sorts. But why I bought these is because they have one amazing feature. Okay, and the amazing feature is that let me just move this light a little bit so I can get a better, can come in the shot at least and without it blinding me. Lifx is always into creating new products as far as lighting is concerned. And this particular bulb actually has a feature to clean. And I'll tell you all about it. And that's why on the box you see you're clean. You probably wonder as to what clean means. Now clean, basically what clean means is, let me read it out to you. A world-class pair of Lifx bulbs pronounced Lifx. They do everything you'd expect from premium smart lights, colors, schedules, automation, and more. And of course, that's what the app does for any of their lights. But you gotta have this, you gotta check this out. But these ones also help you clean your place. Whether close to a surface for a deeper germicidal effect or in an overhead light as a supportive cleaning process. The optional HEV light setting, not UV, so this is not UV, but it's HEV, is safe for use and it's safe for us and pets, but not for bacteria. What they're saying is how to use this. So to turn on the clean cycle, simply click on let me show you the app. So when you turn on this clean cycle, now this is the one. All you have to do is press on this little clean sign here, and that's when the cleaning cycle will kick in. Press on that cleaning cycle icon in the Lifx app and run for at least an hour. And it says this bulb can help kill up to 90% of S. aureus and E. coli on surfaces depending on the distance and time, which is fantastic. And that's one of the reasons why I love this technology, especially with lighting. I'm a sucker for lighting, I have to say. And I really enjoy Lifx products. And of course, they have different cycles. I'm just going to dim it a little bit. It's a lot better now, right? Yeah. And of course, that's what all I'm doing is just moving this around, changing the colors on it. It won't show in the video. It is changing the color. Give me a different light. There you go. There you go. It's really awesome. I like it. I always enjoy playing around with this. It's got different features, but the feature I really wanted to highlight to you is the Lifx Clean. That's, I think, is such an important feature in today's day and age. And of course, you can brighten it to the max. I'm going to step away from the camera so I don't get blinded. I'll show you how bright this goes. Switching the palette, it actually goes over. So I'm going to not be in the frame, but it's really super bright. I don't know if you can actually see it on the video. Nevertheless, that's what I wanted to show you guys. So thank you so much for joining me on this Lifx light bulb, smart, that's what it's called, smart technology, smart bulb. And all it does is connects to your Wi-Fi. So it's really simple to sync. All you have to do is make sure you download the app, okay? I'm actually looking at the wrong area for the camera. So make sure you download the app. And once you download the app, all you have to do is turn this light on. Once it turns on, you get into your Wi-Fi settings on your iPhone or Android, and look for the Lifx. It's going to come up as an Lifx. So select that. Once you select it, that's when it's going to push you back into the app, and it's going to ask you to select your Wi-Fi, which would be a name of your SSID on your Wi-Fi. Once you select that, then it's going to automatically sync back to the app, and that's how you would be able to sync the app and control it wirelessly. And you can also give some really cool commands. And I'm going to brighten this a little bit because I need to see what the commands you could give are. You can connect it to your Google, you can connect it to Amazon Alexa, to your Apple HomeKit, and it also works with SmartThings. And you can just give commands like turn my bedside lamps off in an hour, You just have to say the word. Or set my desk lamps clean to on, which is, of course, is going to clean them. Or set TV room to a particular color. All right. So that's pretty good. And also, just so you know, this is an E26 bulb, which is the fit, and it's 1100 lumen. And also, just so you know, 11.5 watts LED is equivalent to 75 watts. So, which is amazing. For those of you who want to know how much energy this is going to cost you, this bulb is an estimated energy cost of $1.32, only $1.32 per year, which is fantastic. For 1100 lumen, that's amazing. And look how many colors. It's such an awesome product. No bridge, no hub, only just uses Wi-Fi. And of course, this bulb is with antibacterial HEV light, not UV, but HEV. Alrighty, so before I get blinded, yeah, it's so bright. My gosh, it's insanely bright. I'm going to turn it off. But until then, you take care and hope to see you in my next upcoming video for cool tech gadgets. This is ID guys, Sav signing off. Hasta la vista, and you take care and I'll be back. Bye for now.